Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with an important store update. Two, in fact. Number one, that the online store is now open 24/7, and we also have this amazing chat window feature which is almost open 24/7. Couple of caveats to that. So let me explain both in a little bit more detail. Of course, when you go to ainslieBullion.com.au, this is the homepage, and you hit buy gold and silver, and that takes you to the online store. Now, previously, the store was actually closed between the hours of 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Monday to Friday. It was open on the weekends, but now it is open 24/7. So if you are a night owl, if you're up at 2 a.m. on a Wednesday morning, you've got some hankering for some bullion, you can head over to the online store and do so, and it is open and it's live pricing. The only time it's not live pricing, of course, is on the weekends when the world market is closed, but you can still purchase on the weekends as well. And the great thing is, even though the market is closed on the weekends, you've locked in the price as of then. So for example, if you were to purchase on a Sunday and the price is X price right there, that's what you pay. We're not going to change the price on you come Monday morning when the market's open again. So you've locked in that price. And of course, anytime once you've hit the order button, you've locked in the price as it is right then. We're not going to sting you more if the price goes up, for example. So that is some great news. Now 24/7 you can purchase with Ainslie Bullion at ainslieBullion.com.au, hitting that button right here, buy gold and silver. That's number one update. Number two is this nifty little chat window right here. Now, it is technically open 24/7, but you're not going to get a human every single time. And of course, we have our own lives and we like our sleep too. So if you're doing that at 2 a.m. in the morning, you're going to get an automated response, and then, we'll receive an email, and then we'll contact you again, during business hours. But during business hours, and sort of a little bit after business hours, there might be one of us who can help. You might get a human at a certain time of night, just not the real, sleep times. But this is based on a chat bot. So the first thing you'll get is a chat bot, and it will ask you to ask your question. And if you put in certain sort of very frequently asked questions, so let's say, where is the car park? Very likely, I think you'll get an automated answer right there. Yeah, really quickly. That's from the Ainslie chatbot right there. It's learning, so as it gets asked more questions, it gathers all that data, and it will be able to give you very quick answers for lots of things. For the moment, it's very basic things. So that's a bit about the parking in Brisbane and a bit about the parking in Melbourne. If I was to ask a different sort of question, let's see, are coins or bars better? What should probably happen here is, let's see, transferring you to an Ainslie staff member now. What is your name? It is Joe. And so the chatbot is going to tell me that someone will be with me shortly, and we'll try to respond to you within a couple of minutes. So that's sent a request, because it's business hours right now, that's sent a request to one of the humans at Ainslie to jump on the chat and to answer your question. Now, I won't let them answer the question, because I'll let them serve an actual customer, but let me close that off. But that would have gone to a human, and we will answer your question as soon as humanly possible. Now, if you just only ever want to speak to a human, you don't want to use the chat window, you don't want to potentially use the bot at that time, the very easiest thing is just to give us a phone call during business hours, or send us an email, and we'll certainly get back to you as soon as humanly possible. And all the contact details are on the contact page of the ainslieBullion.com.au website. So that is it. Those two updates right there. Trading on the online store is now 24/7. You can buy any time of the day, including the weekends, and that nifty little chat feature as well. Give it a go. Again, the chatbot will be learning, so it might have the answer you need when you need it. So that is it. Of course, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. And always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.